This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher, and our today's topic is invitation. I am going to provide you the complete information regarding invitation. And I bet after watching this video, you will be able to write a perfect invitation, whether formal or informal. Invitation. Invitation is basically written to invite someone for an occasion, for any auspicious occasion. We use the written form of invitation. For inviting someone, we use written form of invitation. Invitations are generally printed cards through which we invite our guests on some auspicious occasions. And what these occasions may be: wedding, birthday, wedding anniversary, housewarming, the inauguration of a shop or factory, any firm, company, etc. These can be occasions. These are common occasions when we invite and we need to write an invitation. तो इनविटेशन लिखने की हमको ज़रूरत कब होगी? जब हमारे वहाँ कोई शादी समारोह होगा, कोई शुभ कार्य होगा, घर भोज होगा या ऐसा कुछ भी, तो हम इनविटेशन लिखते हैं लोगों को बुलाने के लिए. इनविटेशन किसी पार्टिकुलर को भी हम लिख सकते हैं या बहुत सारे लोगों को ग्रुप में बुलाने के लिए लिख सकते हैं. इनविटेशंस आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल. फॉर्मल जिसको ऑफिशियल भी आप बोल सकते हो, इनफॉर्मल आमतौर पर रिलेटिव्स या ऐसे लोगों को बुलाने के लिए हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. These can be printed on cards or can be drafted in form of letters. Formal invitation. Main characteristics: an invitation is a complete information. You have to give complete information, 5 W's: who, when, where, everything. Who is inviting, whom is inviting, when is the occasion, where is the occasion, and what is the reason, what is the time. Everything, 5 W's will be covered. It answers the questions who, whom, when, where, what time, and for what. So basically 5 W's: who, whom, when, where, and what. The important components of an invitation are: what are the important components? First of all, occasion. What is the occasion? You are inviting people or any particular person. किस ओकेजन के लिए आप इनविटेशन लिख रहे हो? नेम और नेम्स ऑफ इनवाइटीज हुम यू आर इनवाइटिंग. किसी एक व्यक्ति को आप बुला रहे हैं या कई सारे लोगों को बुला रहे हैं? अगर एक व्यक्ति को बुला रहे हैं तो नेम लिखेंगे, बहुत सारे लोगों को बुला रहे हैं तो बहुत सारे नेम आप लिखेंगे. नेम और नेम्स. नेम ऑफ द होस्ट और होस्ट, अब बुलाने वाला कौन है उसका नेम. डेट, टाइम एंड वेन्यू, किस डेट को ये फंक्शन रखा गया है तो किस डेट को, टाइमिंग क्या होगी, एंड वेन्यू, प्लेस क्या होगा, कहाँ पे आपने फंक्शन रखा हुआ है. ये सारी चीज़ें क्लियरली मेंशन होनी चाहिए. एवरीथिंग, डेट, टाइम, वेन्यू. नेम्स ऑफ द चीफ गेस्ट और स्पेशल इन्वाइटीज इन केस ऑफ एन ऑफिशियल इन्विटेशन. सो यू हैव टू मेंशन नेम्स or the name of the chief guest if you are inviting some people officially. If it is official invitation, you will mention the names of these personalities, these dignitaries. Now format of formal invitations. कैसे आप किस फॉर्मेट में लिखेंगे? बिकॉज फॉर्मेट गिव्स यू 1 मार्क. अगर फॉर्मेट गलत है तो आपका 1 मार्क सीधे सीधे चला गया. इन केस ऑफ फॉर्मल इन्विटेशंस, ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिटन इन अ सेपरेट लाइन विद फॉन्ट्स ऑफ वैरिंग साइजेस. यहाँ पे आपको ये विशेष ध्यान रखना है कि आप जो फॉर्मेट लिखेंगे वो अलग अलग लाइन में सारी चीज़ें जो अभी हम बताने जा रहे हैं वो सारी चीज़ें आप अलग अलग फॉन्ट में लिखेंगे. छोटा, बड़ा, कर्सिव, सिंपल ब्लॉक लेटर, फॉर मेकिंग इट अट्रैक्टिव. द फॉलोइंग इज रिटन इन अ सेपरेट लाइन विद फॉन्ट्स ऑफ वेरिंग साइजेस, different sizes. First of all, name of the host, name of the invitee, formal phrase of invitation. For example, सबसे पहले आप क्या लिखोगे? होस्ट का नेम, हु इज इनवाइटिंग, किसको आप इनवाइट कर रहे हो. फॉर्मल फ्रेजेस लाइक रिक्वेस्ट द प्लेजर, योर बिनाइन प्रेजेंस और कंपनी, सीक योर ऑस्पिशियस प्रेजेंस, solicit your gracious presence on the auspicious occasion. These can be starting phrases. ऐसे आप स्टार्टिंग में लिख सकते हो for making it attractive. Along with date, time and venue of the event, that is occasion, or reason of the invitation. Why are you inviting those people? Maybe a particular person. तो ये सारी चीज़ें आपको मेंशन करनी है. सबसे पहले नेम ऑफ होस्ट, then name of invitees, then phrases, furthermore date, time and venue of the event. That can be the reason of the invitation. Characteristics of formal invitations. What are the characteristics of formal invitations? Meant for a lot of invitees. अगर आप formal invitation दे रहे हो बहुत सारे लोगों को बुलाने के लिए, these are written in the third person. अब बहुत सारे लोगों को बुलाने के लिए जब लिखेंगे तो थर्ड पर्सन में लिखा जाएगा. इन केस अ वीआईपी इज इन्वाइटेड एज अ चीफ गेस्ट, मान लीजिए आप किसी वीआईपी को बुला रहे हैं एज अ चीफ गेस्ट, द नेम ऑफ द वीआईपी मस्ट अपीयर प्रोमिनेंटली. तो उस वीआईपी का वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन का नेम अच्छे से उस पर प्रिंटेड होना चाहिए, प्रोमिनेंटली दिखना चाहिए. नेम ऑफ द इन्वाइटी इज नॉट टू बी इंक्लूडेड. द एड्रेसीज एड्रेस इज टू बी रिटन ओनली ऑन द एनवेलप. एड्रेस कहाँ लिखेंगे आप? केवल एनवेलप पे, अंदर नहीं. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इज टू बी यूज्ड. और लैंग्वेज कौन सी होगी आपकी? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. द डेट ऑफ राइटिंग इज नॉट टू बी गिवन. और कब आप लिख रहे हैं वो मेंशन नहीं करोगे. द डेट ऑफ राइटिंग इज नॉट टू बी गिवन. देयर इज नो सिग्नेचर ऑफ द होस्ट. आप कहीं सिग्नेचर भी नहीं करोगे. द एब्रिविएशन RSVP in French, Respondez Silvers Plate, that means please reply, is written below on the left side with name or names, address and phone number of the host. तो आप RSVP प्लीज रिप्लाई करके अपना फ़ोन नंबर वहाँ पे मेंशन कर देंगे. Put the invitation into a box, and most important, this invitation, just like notice, just like poster, advertisement, it must be put into a box. Do not exceed the word limit, that is 50 words. You can use less but not more than 50 words, because due credit is given to your creative and economical writing. If it is meant for an individual, earlier the first one was for group, now second one for any particular person, any individual, a formal letter of invitation. Include the name of the invitee. Here you will include the name of that invitee. These are to be written on run-on lines. The sentence is not broken into different words or phrases. Simple, just like a letter. Run on lines. जैसे letter लिखते हैं, in the same way. The sentence is not broken into different words or phrases. Other details are similar to the mass scale invitation. जो हमने पहले पढ़ा है, अदर डिटेल्स लगभग सिमिलर होंगी. वहाँ पे आप प्रोमिनेंटली केवल चीफ गेस्ट का नेम लिखते हैं, बाकी इन्वाइटीज़ का नेम नहीं लिखते हैं. यहाँ पे पर्टिकुलर लिख रहे हैं तो इन्वाइटी का नेम होगा, बाकी डिटेल सेम होगी. राइटिंग इनफॉर्मल इन्विटेशन. नाउ द सेकेंड वन, इनफॉर्मल इन्विटेशन written in a letter form in an informal format. Such letters are very persuasive in nature. Written in the first person. अब इनफॉर्मल इन्विटेशन फर्स्ट पर्सन में, फॉर्मल इन्विटेशन थर्ड पर्सन में. सैल्यूटेशन इज डियर प्लस नेम. इसमें आप सैल्यूटेशन देंगे डियर, द नेम ऑफ योर डियर पर्सन. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज, योर्स सिंसियरली, योर्स ट्रूली, योर्स फेथफुली. Date of writing the invitation is given, and in such informal invitations date of writing is mentioned. Sender's address appears on left hand side. Various tenses used to suit the sense. You can use various tenses, but in formal only present tense. Replies, if you are replying an invitation. Replies accepting or declining. It can be accepting or declining the invitation. Formal, follow a set of formula. It's very simple. Follow a set of formula. What is the formula? Formal words: kind invitation, great pleasure, regret, etc. If you are accepting, kind invitation, great pleasure, and if you are denying, declining, regret. Use third person they instead of first person I or we. So you have to use they rather than I or we. Address of the writer and the date to be written. So who is writing? The person's address along with date must be written. Informal accepting or declining. How will you write informal invitation, whether accepting or declining an invitation? आप रिप्लाई कैसे करोगे? ये मैंने निमंत्रण पत्र स्वीकार कर लिया. Like an ordinary letter, it is same as ordinary letter. Do not use any formal expressions, but use informal words and expressions. Use first person, I, we. So you have to use first person, that is I and we, while writing replies, accepting or declining. Now we'll discuss 4 most important CBSE questions which are asked in different years along with sample answers. First question: as secretary of the literary club of St. Anne's School, Ahmedabad, draft a formal invitation in not more than 50 words for the inauguration of the club in your school. How will you write? Answer: address of that institution, St. Anne's School, Ahmedabad. We cordially invite all staff, students, and parents for the inauguration of the literary club of the school on 29 September between 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. within the school premises. Well-known writer Mr. Kumar will be our chief guest. You all are also requested to join us in the auditorium for tea and snacks after the inauguration ceremony. And then secretary. Who is the host? Secretary. Question number second that we have: the literary club of your school is putting up the play Waiting for Godot. As secretary of the club, draft an invitation inviting the famous writer Sudesh Gupta to be the guest of honor at the function. Write the invitation in not more than 50 words. You are Gobind or Gauri. So answer: ABC School, imaginary name, Sastri Nagar, Mumbai, September 24, 2020, just like a letter, formal letter. Mr. Sudesh Gupta, XYZ Lane, PQR Colony, Mumbai, dear sir, same just like a letter. Subject: invitation as chief guest. The literary club of our school is putting up the play Waiting for Godot on 30th January 2020 in our school auditorium from 9 to 10 a.m. On behalf of our club, I would like to extend a cordial invitation to you to be the guest of honor at the function. It would be our privilege if you consent to grace this occasion with your esteemed presence. Gauri, Secretary, Literary Club. Third sample answer. As the principal of a reputed college, you have been invited to inaugurate a book exhibition in your neighborhood. Draft a reply to the invitation in not more than 50 words, expressing your inability to attend the function. You are Tarun or Tanya. So you are the principal and you are going to decline the invitation. How do you reply? Let's see. The principal, ABC College, imaginary, October 25th, 2020. Subject: inability to accept the invitation. Sir, just like letter, formal letter, I would like to express my gratitude. First person: I would like to express my gratitude to the Civil Lines Book Club for inviting me to inaugurate the first edition of the Civil Club book exhibition. But I regret my inability to attend the function due to a prior commitment. I have to attend a meeting with the governing body of our college on the same day for which the inauguration is scheduled. Yours faithfully, Tarun, Principal. So this is a formal reply denying, declining invitation. Fourth one about acceptance, accepting the invitation. This will be the last in this video. You have received an invitation to be the judge for a literary competition in St. Anne's School. Send a reply in not more than 50 words confirming your acceptance. You are Mohan or Maya. तो आप या तो मोहन हैं या फिर माया हैं और आप जाने के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार हैं. यू आर रेडी टू गो. सो आंसर: इमेजिनरी एड्रेस 16XYZ लेन, ABC नगर, चेन्नई, सेंट एन्स स्कूल, TBS नगर, चेन्नई. Subject: acceptance of invitation for judging the literary competition. So what is your subject? Acceptance of invitation for judging the literary competition. Sir, I would like to express my gratitude to St. Anne's School for inviting me to be the judge for a literary competition in your school. I confirm my acceptance for the same and will make sure that I am present there at the scheduled date and time. Yours sincerely, Mohan. Just like the earlier one. Reply, acceptance, or decline.